Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to disable autocable in Cisco packet tracer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To disable autocable in Cisco packet tracer, open your Cisco packet tracer and go to Options tab on upper left corner. Click on Preferences. In Preferences, click on Interface tab and you will find an option here, Disable Autocable, and by default Autocable is enabled. And to disable Autocable, just select it. Now Autocable is disabled. Close Preference. Now click on Connection. Now click on Auto Connection. Look, Auto Connect is disabled in my Cisco packet tracer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.